Hey there, remote econ students. I'm just going to take a second to create a quick tutorial on how to access our virtual meetings as we begin our synchronous class periods. So remember, to access Canvas, you open up a new tab, you come over to Google Apps, and then you slide down to, sorry I missed it there, Canvas. And when you open Canvas, you use your school Google account. And then you would click on the economics class. And I'm going to switch to student view here real quick so you can see. So anytime we have a synchronous virtual day meeting, you are going to go to Cisco Webex right here. You're going to click on that. And what you'll see, for instance, this is for my period 1 econ remote. So if you're period 7, it'll say period 7. Of course, it'll be different days. And it'll show the time here. And to join that virtual meeting, you just click join. And I haven't used Webex that much, so there could be some issues we have to work through. If you're having trouble getting on, shoot me an email. Things are going to happen. We're going to be patient with this, and I think it'll work really well once we work the kinks out. But just bear in mind that we'll be patient and we'll get through it. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thanks.